Hello everybody, how's it going today? So I've almost finished building the new office here in Turkey and this is what it's looking like so far. Decided to go with two very powerful Samsung 49-inch ultra wides here. I decided to trade with my group today and we ended up nailing a mask bounce at the golden ratio and just yielded an amazing profit here, which I live traded for you guys that you'll see here in a few minutes. So I'll be getting back to trading extremely heavily very soon. And to let everyone know, since many people are asking about the Discord group, it's actually closed right now to monthly subscribers because just too many people did. So I'm only taking yearly members right now. Makes it a lot easier to manage right now. It goes for 600 American a year and it comes with my courses for free as well. Make sure you're DMing me only on Twitter. Okay, only DM me on Twitter. Watch out for scammers replying to you in my tweets. Watch out for scammers replying, DMing you first as well. They're very easy to tell. Make sure you always confirm who they are. So if you're interested in joining my Discord group to trade with me, if you're interested in learning as well, there's tons of content in my Discord group just to give you guys an idea of the kind of stuff that I have in here, right? Let me just minimize this really quickly. To give you guys an idea of my Discord group, I've got a channel here. It's full of short lessons. Right now it's got about how many? 74 short lessons in here. 36 long lessons. Got a few hundred live trades, maybe 200. Right. Here's the channel that I'm always keeping updated to let everyone know all about the trades that I'm interested in and my TA. And here's the main channel that everyone is always in here. So it's gonna pick up quite a bit. So make sure you guys are getting in here. It really does reach capacity very fast. And because it does, I'm unable to get everybody in, right? So I hope to see a lot of people interested in it. Bye, give me a DM and I'll see you guys in the group. Take care. Hello everybody, how's it going? Okay, so I decided to long this because it's hitting the golden pocket. Golden ratio, right around there right now. See? It's hitting it literally like right within a 1% already. So I decided to start longing it. My target's gonna be pretty decent. It'll be a 3-2 retracement, simple 3-2 retracement for a possible 20% gain and 3% loss roughly. Okay, this seems to be a very high probability trade. What I'm gonna do is I decided to enter it already because it's getting very close to it and my logic is sound that I believe we may not even hit the golden pocket. We may not even hit this trend line. This white trend line is very powerful, but we may not even hit it. So I'd rather be in a position than miss out. Also, since my bias is to long it to begin with around this range, I'm gonna allocate a region for me to long it. Okay, so if it does go a little bit lower to the 70, 80, 90 ranges, I'll double down. This is my current position right now that I'm in. I'm down $43. I'm in it for 3,000 mask, which is $45,000 position here. It's looking very much so in my favor so far. Okay, this is really bullish. This is the moment right here that I'm gonna add more to my position. I'm gonna add more to my position right around, probably, sorry, give me a second here, I'm gonna find it. Right around here in the 1 minute chart. If we end up trending to the upside, breaking out over there, that's where I'll add more to my position. As it stands right now, yeah, this is kind of cool. My other monitors, I have a 1 minute, I have a 5 minute chart, and I have a 15-minute chart here. It's all just showing very beautifully here for me. Now, it may not guarantee that it's gonna bounce right now, but at least I'm in the position, and if it does end up breaking to the upside, I'm in the position, then I can also buy in a breakout. So it works really well for me right now. Yo guys, I decided to, I'm not really that confident about this bounce right now, right here, in terms of, like, I like to minimize, maximize, right? So my options is to stay in my position that you see here with the $300 down, but it might actually just drop down to a lower level. Oops, I gotta refresh this now, it lagged. It might drop down to a lower level, like the 1470, 1480s, and if it does that, like, I might be screwing myself over. You know, if it goes down to there, I'll be 1.5% down on $45,000, which is like $700. Or I can eat my loss right now right? $300 loss and then get a way better entry, right? And so if I did that, I'd get a better entry and it would minimize my risk if it went down. But if I keep this position here, I'd be fine as well, and I wouldn't be losing anything. And then I would double down because my bias is still to long. So this is a really tough situation where people are always in. So I think the best thing for me to do is one of the two things, right? I have to stick to it, but I think it's already too late now because I'm already down $200-300. And if you take a look at the time frames, like nothing is bullish. Nothing is bullish. This is still really going down in the 1 hour. Really going down. 45 minutes really going down. 30 minutes really going down. 20 minutes really going down. 20, 15, 10. There's nothing really indicating any bullishness at all right now. Really going, except for this curvature is nice. That curvature could be very nice. It's a curve if you see it. See, it's a curve so far, not a line. So if the curvature changes, oh fuck, it just dropped to the 80s during this video. That was really rough. So okay, so there's nothing I can do anymore. I'm now down exactly what I said I would be down about, $500-700. So now I just kind of wait around and I see what kind of reaction we're gonna get at the golden ratio, which is what we're at right now. We're at the golden ratio, and I might actually just start nibbling. Nibble means to just take small bites, for those that don't speak English that well. So I'm gonna probably just draw this in here. See the golden ratio? Raz is here, by the way. Say hi, Raz. Get in the camera, stick your head in.
Hi.
So this one right here is the golden ratio is at 1471. It may not even get to 71, right? Actually, it already did. It got to 77. Didn't quite touch it. Okay, so I'm gonna buy another 10,000. Well, not 10,000, 1,000. So, oops. I'm gonna leverage a little bit more. Not really playing that much. I will buy a 1,000 mask. What? Why is this reduce only? Whoops. 1,000 mask. There we go. So now I'm in for 4,000. Right? So 4,000 times 14 is now $56,000. So it's not that big of a position. Right? I'm down a really reasonable amount of 1% right now. The loss is reasonable for sure. The last thing I want though is for this to just go boom, you know, like that, just drop further. But it seems like the golden ratio will be a very strong reason for this to bounce. So like it should be a really good reason. That region right there is nice too, 1547. I think we will hold, honestly. I think we'll hold for sure. Yeah, I think we hold. I just need this one here to not be as big. This one did drop a lot though. I don't like that. 1%. Might take $1,000 loss tonight at most. We'll see. I am still very confident though overall. Like very, very, very confident that this is gonna bounce. I mean, we were doing something like that earlier, right? And it didn't quite break up there. You can even probably, I don't want to stretch that too much. But this is obviously getting something like that in here, right? For the wedge. That's kind of what happened. See? So now we're just playing this channel. Like these wedges tend to break to the upside. So I'm in a really good position right now for a very good fucking 20% gain. 20% on 50,000 is a lot. It's a $10,000 position that I could possibly win. My target will be up there to like the 1770 ranges. It's 20%, and I'll swing it overnight. I'll definitely swing this overnight. We've already had a 35% drop, so there's a good chance that this must bounce soon. Especially with our size this low, right? Of course it can go lower. Don't get me wrong, it can go way lower, like fuck. Way lower. You know, like, who are they to listen to us? Nobody. We're nobodies, you know, like, it doesn't need to obey us in any way, but even because of TA, but there's a good chance it will bounce because of all these other reasons. The golden ratio, the daily support, that daily support combined with the golden ratio is like, holy shit, is that ever such a powerful reason to enter a long soon? So this could still come down to 3%, right? Could come down to 3%, but that's fine. I anticipated that, right? So sorry, another 3% rather. So if it went down to like 14.5 ranges, 14.5, 5 times 5, I could be down $2,500 if it hits the white line down there. And then if it does hit that white line down there, then it drops down. I could basically be taking a $3,000 loss. So this is still a risky trade in my opinion, but I think the RR is pretty sound to take where the risk is like 3 to 1. So this is working exactly as planned, you know. Here's the golden ratio hit, $700-800 down. Here's the 1,000 down now. That's fine because I'm in a bigger position. So let's see if it's actually going to end up hitting the white line as we mentioned. So here is it playing in the golden pocket as expected. So there's nothing really surprising about this coin, is there? Right? There's not. Are you surprised? Like we're talking about everything that could happen, right? So here's the golden ratio. It could bounce immensely up here. It actually projected a wick already of 1.1%. So if it bounces here, great. I'm in a great position. Wow, look at that fucking 5-minute candle. Wow.
Oh.
Holy cow, that's really powerful. Okay, the golden ratio is powerful. If it goes down a little bit more, it's still in the golden pocket and now hits the daily support. The daily support trend line. So that's pretty powerful, right guys? It literally just rejected now like 2%, guys, in 1 minute. In 2 minutes it rejected 2.2%. So I think we're actually really good. Whoa, motherfucker. Whoa, let's buy another 1,000. Whoa, did you guys see that? I was down 1,000 and it went to nothing. Boom, right away. So 75K is a good position to be in. 30-minute candles now forming a doji. You see the doji forming, guys? Doji is very nice. So that's a very beautiful candle. So I think we made the right play. Oh my god, it's breaking out already, guys. Holy shit. What the fuck? Cool. Nice job, Philakone, crypto. Wow, I did a really good job on this trade, guys. Fucking awesome. I'm just gonna pause it for now. Okay, so check it out, guys. Like you see this 1 minute candle or 1 minute chart. It's hitting a resistance range right over here. But because we're gonna try for a higher high, it implies that we probably will succeed. So I'm probably gonna take my profit early tonight, like around this range up there, 15.4, because my back really hurts tonight. I want to get some rest as well. So if I take 15.4, fuck, I guess I'll be happy with $2,000 today. That'll be a good start. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna ride this guy out for maybe another hour or two at most. Alright guys, so I decided to take my profit here because I have some extreme back pain right now from moving in Canada, then moving here, and also setting up this whole room so far, right? So my back is like just on fire, so I decided to take my profit to actually get some good nice rest tonight. So I took it over here for about $2,000. I'm only keeping about $30,000 in this account. Not really. I don't really need a lot. I only need like $10,000-15,000 in my account to make like 30-50 grand a month, you know. So it's like I keep looking to the right side because that's where my camera usually is, right? So now it's on the left, so I gotta get used to the left. That's a little bit funny. So yeah, very happy with this profit here with the group that we were trading together. Still confident could possibly hit that target on the upper side up there. So give it some time and go from there. So I made $2,000 / 3%. Bam, guys, I'm off to bed. See you. Good night.